Hello, my name is Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to talk about function composition. If f of t equals t squared plus 4 and g of t equals t minus 1, find f of g of t. Before continuing, it's worth noting a little bit about function composition notation. We have f of g of t here, but we may also see it written as f of g of t. So these are both equivalent representations, and they're used interchangeably. So to find the function composition of f of g of t, let's take our outer function, f, and we're going to evaluate f at g of t. So a function composition is where we have one function, in this case f, and the input to that function is going to be another function. And that input in this case is going to be the function g of t. So g of t is the input into our function f here. And we can look up top here, and we can see that g of t, although it is the input here, is actually equal to t minus 1. So instead of saying f of g of t, I can say f of t minus 1. So now I can evaluate my outer function at g of t. So I can say, and my input to f is g of t, and g of t is equal to t minus 1. So t minus 1 is the input here. And this is actually the unsimplified composition of f of g of t. If I were asked to simplify this function composition, I very well could. I would just take f of g of t, and I would take my t minus 1 squared, so t minus 1 squared plus 4, and I would FOIL this, so it would be t squared minus 2t plus 1 plus 4. This would turn into t squared minus 2t plus 5, still f of g of t is equal to this, and this t squared minus 2t plus 5 would be the simplified composition here. So I hope this has been helpful. If you're still having trouble, please reach out to us for more help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.